everyone. Today I'm Yogitaa and I'm here to talk to you about a new technology which is Wi-Fi, also known as Light Fidelity. Light Fidelity simply means having a little faith in your light which is right over your ceiling to give you the internet you need. And Wi-Fi uses a basic commodity LED which is energy efficient and very cheap. So what happens and how do we get the internet? It's very simple. So when we switch on the LED, the light which we get, it actually flickers at a very high speed which is not detectable by the human eye. So it showers a stream of ones and zeros, and that language, it is highly technical and cannot be understood by us. It is decoded by our detector, and that detector which decodes the signal which carries our data, that's how we access it. So it's just as simple and it is as seamless as Wi-Fi. And why do we even need, why am I even talking about Wi-Fi, you will wonder. So did you notice in the past year, due to the COVID-19 outbreak, billions of people actually came on the internet. If you see a 19-year-old school lecturer to a college student or to an industrial job worker or even a 60-year-old banking work, everybody was on the internet because we could not connect physically, so we were all digitally connected. That's how the radio waves from the conventional utility which we get the internet from, it is too limited that it cannot go on for a very long time now. It cannot accommodate all of it in a very limited bandwidth. We do need an alternative. So that's how the Wi-Fi kicks in. Wi-Fi is just an alternative to use the best of the best resources, which is Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi together to make the best use of it. And Wi-Fi is very much secure and gives you a very high transmission speed because the bandwidth is too big as compared to the radio waves. Also, if you have ever gone to an aircraft or to a football match, you'll see that you cannot access Wi-Fi very efficiently in both the places. So that's how the Wi-Fi, which is light is everywhere, in your streets, in your buildings, in your transportation. So that's how it is so easy to use our internet and use less of the radio spectrum and make the space for the future for everyone to access the internet in a just seamless ways as you're using it right now. It is the need of the hour. Thank you.